Hi, I'm Liz Gemmell from Gemmell's Garden Center, and today we are going to put together a succulent planter. We have gorgeous planters that we can use in many different sizes and shapes. So today I have chosen this log planter, which happens to be my most favorite. Because there is no drainage in most of the planters that you like, we do have to create an environment for the plants so that they don't die. I put lots of rocks in the bottom like this. Then I put a bit of sand. And then to keep the soil from going sour, if you tend to be a little aggressive with the watering, a little bit of charcoal. And you can use briquettes and just shave it. You put that in there. So now we are ready. We've got proper drainage in the bottom of a succulent planter. And now I'm going to fill it with a good potting soil. I'm doing this backwards because this is the front. So I've chosen a variety of succulents. I want something with height, something which I would call my thriller, and then something a little lower, which I would call a filler, and then of course the spillers to go over the edge. And of course there's nothing like string of pearls for a spiller, so I would probably put that guy there. This is another spiller that maybe I can put towards the back. I need some height. So this guy is going to give me some height. This also will give me some height. I'm just going to kind of play around with it. But I really like putting some rocks in just to add a little bit of a contrast. And I usually put 2 or 3 and then plant around it. So I've got way too many here. So I'm going to start with the height here. This guy will grow a little bit taller, so I think I'll start with this guy. Loosen the soil. Dig with your fingers. Put it in. Press the soil, and just a gentle press. This is going to grow up, so I want something that will fill in this area that will be what I would call a filler, and that is this guy here. But then I want something that will spill over the edge and a nice contrast with the colors again. So there is one little grouping. Now we need to do this area. Because I've got a bit of a gray there, I want some gray here as well. So I'll put this guy here. And we need a little more green. So I'll put that guy here. And to soften it, how about that one right there? And then, of course, we need something to spill over the edge. I'm using far more than I normally do, but I'm spoiled. Again, just really, really loosen the roots up so that they're not compacted. And then gently press it into place. Now, we don't want to look at the soil. So we have what I call pea gravel. And I just usually liberally put that all around the plants. And that kind of dresses it up a little bit. And do some adjustments if necessary. And then, of course, water. It's a succulent. It does not need a lot of water, but it does need water. So just a gentle watering like this, maybe once a week. And of course, I'm going to wash the dirt off as well. So there we have our succulent planter. Ta-da!